Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to save a project here in CapCut. All right, as you can see here, these are projects, okay? So to save a project, all you need to do is just go ahead and create one, for example, okay? Create, let's say I'm going to go ahead and import a video right here. I'll hit on open, add this video to the timeline. And once that's done, and maybe I decided to finish this edit later. Okay, so what we'll do basically is just close the editor. Okay, no need to click on something. For example, you go ahead over to menu right here, file. As you can see, the only option you have is import and export. Okay, no save option. Now to save it, again, just close the editor. And there you have it. Under the projects section, here you have your recently edited video. Okay, you can now go ahead and click on the three dots and upload it if you have an online space or if you have the pro version of CapCut. Okay, upload it and you should be able to see it on your space like so. Got it. And if you want to rename it, just click on the three dots again, rename, continue later, just like so. Okay, go to spaces, and in here you will see your uploaded projects as well. Okay, this is way safer, as when something happens on your computer, well, at least you have a backup here on the CapCut cloud. All right, now whenever you see this cloud icon, that means that it's saved on one of your spaces. And also, if you want to automatically sync your projects to your spaces, just make sure to click on Project Sync right here and turn it on. All right, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.